Everyone, myself Utpal Kole. I am working as a director food and beverage, VEDIC Village. Let's talk about the work integrated learning program, which between the sister Nivedita University and VEDIC Village. It's a wonderful exposure for all those students who will be get the world-class hospitality exposure to the real industries, where you can meet with the guest, you learn from the guest, sustainability, wellness and world-class gastronomy. We are AQ Green Resort in Eastern India and one and only resort in Eastern India. Best of luck. Thank you.